So the San Diego Space Society, how many members do you have?
Well, that's a good question. We have it depends on what list we talk about. We've got a board of 9 members, and that's actually just expanded. We've been operating with 7 board members for the last 2 years, and with this latest election, we've expanded that. We're including some students, college students, on our board. So we're getting the full perspective from students up to veteran, senior people that have been in the workforce for many, many years. So we have this whole range of experience and perspective that I think is going to make this year even better. So our board has expanded. Right now we're on a campaign to increase our paid members, and then our mailing list reaches even to hundreds. We've got about 350 on our mailing list. So but with any organization, it's not just about building membership, but we want to. It's more for us important to be having people actively participate. So yeah, it's okay to have paid a membership, but we want people to be involved. We want them to see that this is something that they can be involved with, and to become active in doing things themselves. So that's more of our drive for membership, is to really make people aware of what's going on, that they can, we have workshops that people can build things. Right now we're working on what we're calling a sky satellite. It's basically this science package that's going to be suspended from a balloon, and it launches to 100,000 feet. It takes these spectacular images, the dark sky and the curvature of the Earth, but these things that the average person can be involved with. To the point we're also looking at eventually doing suborbital, what called, they're not quite CubeSats, they're more like soda can sats, or they're smaller, but they ride up on a suborbital rocket. Things that you'd have to be either affiliated with the university to be on a project, but with us, we invite the public in, members or not, to participate, and those are becoming more known, and more people are becoming involed.
You mentioned the Emporium.
Yes.
It's a physical location.
It is.
And where is it?
It is in South Park, just north of downtown San Diego. It's in a neighborhood that's very pedestrian friendly, so we have a lot of walk-by visitors. The address is 1947 30th Street. It's right at the corner, at the intersection basically of Grape and 30th. So it's not very far from downtown. I've actually had people find out about it online. We were coming into San Diego to visit, and they made sure to stop by the Emporium itself.
And if they want to check it out online before they come to San Diego, what is the URL?
Well, there's 2 ways you can get to it. You can link to it from our San Diego Space Society's website, sdspace.org. There's a link from there. We also have an online catalog, so everything that we sell in this Emporium itself is going to be available through our online catalog. And we're actually working on, currently we're working on sort of an infomercial about the Emporium. So even if you're not here in San Diego and you want to see what it's about, you'll be able to see this video, which will kind of take you through a walkthrough and explain what the Emporium is. Well, one of our big missions for San Diego Space Society is really bringing space travel, space exploration, out to the people, and we're doing this in as many ways as we can think of. We have the Space Activities Lab, where we do our workshops, and everything from middle school kids up to adults. So we have these hands-on projects that we do. We're doing the Space Up, but again, it's to bring the community together and share ideas and grow things out of that. We're also looking, one of our other things is to be a focus or a center for various space organizations, space advocacy. So we're also a chapter of the Mars Society, San Diego, the National Space Society chapter. We have affiliations with the Moon Society, the Space Frontier Foundation. We work closely with our local science center and the Air and Space Museum, and we're looking to bring more of that on board. To really be kind of a focus for all things space in San Diego, or in the Southern California region as well. So I mean, for us, our mission is just letting people know what's available to them and encouraging them to participate. So that's any ideas that we come up with. That's why this is a great event, because you get a lot of these ideas from people who are out there doing things themselves. So for me, it's just one of those things I look forward to all year. Making connections.